Good morning. Happy Thanksgiving, everybody. We decided that we're going to smoke a turkey. It's the smoker grill. Excuse the state of my shed. Threw everything in there, the charcoal and stuff like that. I prepared this turkey last night. I decided to split it and kind of like wing it so that it'll cook more evenly. And then I put some dry rub on it. I made it, I guess you can call this the Nigerian smoked turkey. We did a dry rub and we left it inside the fridge overnight. This turkey right here is 18 pounds. It's huge. Now I'm kind of worried that it might not fit on the grill, but let's go see what happens. So this is what 18 pounds of turkey looks like, halved in the grill because I think it was just gonna be too big. I cut out the back and I'm smoking that all by itself. But this is what 18 pounds of turkey is going to look like, and we're going to probably have it on here for like 4 hours. So since we opened it, the temperature went down, but hopefully it will go up again. Also, I kept some of the juices that kind of flowed back into the pan. As time goes on, I'm going to use these to baste the turkey. I think the turkey is done now, and this is where we're going to put the turkey. Ooh, it's hot. The turkey is now done. The skin is nice and crispy. So yeah, this is it. I'm gonna do a little cut now just to show you guys the texture inside.